What does the rise of India mean for Slovenian businesses? How do we get Indian and Slovenian businesses to cooperate with each other? What is the common future for India and Slovenia, and in the larger sense for India and Europe? These were the questions that were in prominence today at the Curtain Raiser event, which the Embassy of India organized with the Chamber of Commerce and Industry of Slovenia here in Ljubljana. This is the Curtain Raiser event for the launch of the Slovenia-India Business Council, which we are hoping to do later this year. India is a very important economic partner for Slovenia. The rise of India as the fastest growing major economy is, of course, known to everybody. Last week, our GDP numbers came in 7.8% for the last quarter, 7.7% for the entire year. Pretty impressive. But what does this mean for companies in Europe? What does it mean for companies in Slovenia? 5 big opportunities is something that we have highlighted today. India as a large market for Slovenian exports. India as a favored destination for European investments. India as a source for high quality, low cost imports into Europe and Slovenia. India as a source of skilled manpower. And last but not the least, India as a partner for innovation. Across all these areas, I see interest in Slovenia developing very rapidly. We look forward to engaging closely with our business partners in Slovenia to harness the potential of the India-EU FTA, the so-called mother of all deals, and in the future, launch a Slovenia-India Business Council to take this relationship to new heights, which holds great promise for both our countries.